It's training day in Bumbleton. Sidney decides to go for a sprint through the forest.
Oh, I love sprinting through the forest. It's the best. I hope I don't lose my activewear.
It seems Sidney has lost his activewear.
Oh no! My activewear's gone.
Sidney searches for his activewear. He looks everywhere. While he's searching, he hears something.
What's that? I wonder if it's a bugler. Oh no! Susie, I think there's a bugler in the forest. I'm so scared.
They're really scary.
Mum hears them chatting and comes to take a look.
Oh, Susie, Sidney, what's going on? What's all this talk of buglers? We don't have any trumpetists in the forest.
Dad comes to see what's happening as well. Oh, Susie, Sidney, what's going on?
Oh, Dad, there's a bugler in the forest.
Oh no, Sidney, that's not a bugler. I saw it. It's a sunflower.
What's a sunflower, Dad?
No, a sunflower.
That's what I said. What's a sunflower?
Oh, Sidney, he means a sunflower.
Oh, a sunflower?
Let me go say hello. The family decides to go see the sunflower.
Excuse me?
Yeah?
Are you okay?
No. I don't have any friends and I just heard that someone called me a bugler.
Oh dear.
That was him. That wasn't me. Hi, I'm Susie. Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Sorry the Sunflower.
Sorry the sunflower, I'm sorry that I called you a bugler. I just didn't know what you were. I'd like to be your friend.
Really?
Yes, I would. Maybe we can sing a song to be friends.
Okay, I like punk rock.
Oh, so do I. Let's sing together.
Hey, 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 I'll be your friend. Hey, 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 right to the end. I'll be here till the end of time. I will be your friend and you'll be mine.
Can I join?
That's a good idea. Let's go again. Hey, 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 I'll be your friend. Hey, 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 right to the end. I'll be here till the end of time. And I will be your friend and you'll be mine. I can be your friend and you'll be mine. I can be your friend and you'll be mine.
Wait! Guys, wait! I made it! Guys, please consider liking and subscribing. I came all the way to tell you. Okay, that's all. Thank you.